Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. A hybrid smartwatch blends traditional watch design with contemporary fitness tracking and notification tech, and they usually have long-lasting battery life. This is the Fossil Q Commuter. It's a hybrid smartwatch that has been out for a while, but let's have a look and see if it's worth your money. Anyway, looking around the package, we can see the watch design and the branding on the package. We can see from the package that it can track fitness and tell notifications. We can also see that it has the ability to control music and camera and also provide awesome battery life. We also have the devices that it is compatible with and the model number. Unboxing is pretty simple. The first thing you'll see is the watch itself. From the first appearance, it's amazing and well packed. Anyway, let's dig in. We get a warranty information and quick start guide. We get a Q-shaped tool for replacing the battery. No charging cradles or wires of the sort. Looking at the watch itself, it's pretty awesome. All the information that is on the watch can easily be seen. It's a 42mm watch face, which I personally think it's kinda small. At least it would have been 46mm or more. The leather strap is actually high quality. To be honest, the design and build quality is amazing and it's very slim and really lightweight. It fits perfect on my wrist. I think it should be okay for most people. Anyway, let's see the setup process. To start the pairing process, you need to hold the middle button until you feel 3 vibrations and the arms will start to move. Then you move to the mobile app. The app is called Fossil Smartwatches. It works with Android and iOS. The pairing process is pretty easy. Just follow the instructions. Overall, the app is straightforward. I think everything is well structured and can easily be accessed, from notification assignments to fitness tracking. I have used this watch for a few weeks and this is what I have learned. The small dial that shows 0 to 100 is the percentage of your fitness tracking. The side buttons can be assigned to different functionalities. The number you assign the notification will always show when there's a notification on your phone. The battery life is pretty good, but it wouldn't last 4 months, especially when I get notifications every 10 minutes. Fitness and sleep tracking is also fine. It's pretty accurate, I would say. Would I recommend this hybrid smartwatch? Yes and no. I would recommend it to some people but not everyone. The design and build quality is awesome, notification is fine, but you can view the details about the notification. Battery life is good. The downside though is that you cannot view details about the notification. If you receive notifications every few minutes, then the battery wouldn't last that long. I will basically say it's more of fitness tracker and for casual tech geeks. Anyway, I have nothing except to like it, at least for now. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.